So this is the setup for measuring the edge of the clip to the end of the part, which is represented by this blue line. So that shows where the measurement is being made. Then of course the distance is shown. This is using the object detector to find the part, so just the entire part, so we know how to scan across and find edges. And the object detector for finding the clip. And then once those are found, we find just a rough edge on the outside and then create a small region of interest in the top area that could be completely vertical in the upper images and then more of a straight line in the lower images. So if I go down here, this is more of a straight line just based on the camera angle. So create a little region of interest, find that edge, find the rough edge of the clip, and then find a very precise edge of the clip using a smaller region of interest. And then sometimes we find the actual corner of the clip. Sometimes you see this light edge that's just light, which is fine. That's just used to then create a reference point along the upper edge of the part to make that measurement across that edge, that upper edge. So find the edge of the white clip, using perpendicularity, find the point in which that intersects the top edge of the part, and then measure from that point to the end point found in the previous steps. This works well, but there is a fair amount of variance in the measurements. So I'm going to let this run. So these are the images collected yesterday. So I let this run. I have it set to stop on any failures. Kind of get a feel for what type of measurements we're seeing. So this one down at the bottom was 50 that time around. We have a 53 here. And then we're a little lower on the bottom. So we need to offset the bottom ones a little bit based on the angle of the camera. So those were a little higher that time. Up in the 54 range. They're 54.5. You can see by the blue line that we are making the correct measurement, so I'm not exactly sure why that variance is there. So hopefully this gives you a feel for how this is being done, and so we can discuss the variance and what type of variance should be expected.